Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to add testimonial slider to Shopify. At first, head over this website called F-Site, and then what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find something like this called widgets. Then at the very bottom, click on see all widgets. From there, on the search button, search for testimonial, and then you see the first one is testimonial slider. Click on it and then let it load. Just scroll a bit down. After that, once it loads, click on continue with this template and then click on add to website for free. Then it's going to ask you to sign in, so just do that very quickly. And then this page will load up. All you have to do at the top right, you see publish, just click on that one and then select whatever plan you have. For now, we're just gonna go with free one. And then you see this option called copy code. Just click on this one and then go to your Shopify, then your online store themes, and then we're gonna go to customize. And then you can either add section or do it into whatever section you have. We're just gonna click on add section and then click on the code option like so. And then we're going to paste it on the liquid code, and then I'm going to click on save, and then it's going to take about a second or more depending on your internet connection to load. But once it does, there you go, you can see it popped up, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.